Good afternoon, everybody. This is Frankie here with the Outlook upgrade here from the Storm Prediction Center. We now have a moderate risk of severe weather, potentially significant severe weather, including potentially significant tornadoes here. Now we're looking at a little bit more shear being involved with the system from far eastern Iowa across much of northern Illinois, a small portion there, northwest Indiana, and a small sliver of southern Wisconsin there, all under a moderate risk now of seeing very destructive winds, well in excess of hurricane force. There could be a couple of strong tornadoes and several more less intense ones. Speaking of tornadoes, look at this, went all the way to 10%. We're just under between the 2 and the 5. The Storm Prediction Center now believes that there's enough instability and other parameters put together to form tornadoes this evening. So be very careful. Some of these tornadoes could end up being strong. We see supercells developing all over the place on the radar, which I'll get into here in a moment. But that's the current outlook right there. We're right smack dab in the middle of that 10% tornado probability within 25 miles of any given point. Next, we have the damaging winds. This is going to be the biggest concern. Derecho type or a derecho will move across eastern Iowa, northern Illinois, northern Indiana, southwest lower Michigan, and southern Wisconsin. And this also includes the southern half of Lake Michigan there. There's a 45% probability of seeing 75 mile per hour winds or greater. So that's significant. That's why the moderate risk was issued, because of the tornado and the wind threat. The hail threat's a little lower because we don't have as much tallness or growth to the storm. They're a little bit shallow top supercells, but they're still tall enough, still strong enough to sustain very damaging winds and potentially some strong tornadoes as we work our way into the evening. So we'll be watching this carefully. It changes very rapidly, but for now, that's all I have, guys. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.